All right, welcome back to Honeydew Acres. Today we are baling the hay. I did not record any of the raking. I'm just going to go straight to baling. I ended up raking early this morning and then flipping it over once I got home from work. I don't know how well this is coming across on video. The haze in the sky, that's all the smoke from the Canadian wildfires going on right now. So it's interesting weather we're having. Right here is the first bale of the field. I didn't record the startup. We did have some issues with it last time, and I was afraid that I was going to have some issues again, but not bad. I didn't make a 6-foot bale. I can make a 5x6 with this. I tried to aim for a 5x4.5 ish. I'm 6 foot tall, so it's coming up right here. So let's get started on next bale. Alright guys, welcome back. So it's been 2 days since I was baling hay. Unfortunately, I didn't get as much video as I would have liked. It was after work and it was really smoky and from the wildfires up in Canada, and really just needed to get it done. Didn't end up finishing up until, I don't know, it was like 8:30 at night anyways, by the time the baling got completed and regular chores got done. So today we're gonna get the bale spear put back on the 706 and go collect our hay. But cattle are just kind of lounging around today. All right, let's get her done. So for those of you that use the Westendorf quick attach system, you'll probably understand or appreciate what I'm saying, but it's not quite as easy as the, I guess you'd call, traditional skid steer quick attach. I mean, it's not hard, but as you've seen, this far side, once I put the weight on it, that arm started going forward, and it actually pulls this arm up. It's easier to get the bucket hooked on because it has more weight, but the bale spear ended up having to pick up and kind of put it on. It's very difficult to just drive up to and hook on. So all in, I think I ended up with somewhere around 5.5 or 6 bales, something like that. I had one mishap that was my own doing. For those of you who've baled hay or used round balers, you realize that when you grab the wrong hydraulic lever and you start to open up the tailgate before you get it the twine put on, tailgate doesn't like to close, you can't continue to wrap it, so I ended up having to dump a bale in the ground that wasn't wrapped. That's what we're going to go pick up first. We're going to move it into the cattle barn, so that way as it kind of poofs out and falls apart. It'll just be there for them to eat. Dropping quite a lot back there, as you can see, and I'm dropping it as I'm driving. What I'll end up doing is coming back through here with the bucket on the Kubota probably, and pick this stuff up and then feed it to the calves. Giggles. Oink, oink, oink. Yeah, you guys staying cool in here? Another good thing that happened today, it is June 15th, 16th, I don't know, it all blends together. But 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days from now, we'll see if Wilbur was able to get the job done, or Rosie's able to conceive. We might have some piglets on the farm. So 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days from today. Alright, so here's some of the hay that I was able to salvage from that bale that never tied, and we're going to go ahead and give it to the calves. They should enjoy it. For those of you wondering, no, this is not the first time I've given them some hay, and they have grain as well. Huh. Wonder when we took a tip. And of course everybody else has got to come down and see what's going on. So thank you everybody for watching Honeydew Acres, subscribing, sharing, liking our videos, and then supporting us at the farmers market. Again, every Saturday from 9 a.m. until noon, we'll be at the Baldwin's Farmers Market on Main Street. Come see us. We'd appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.